All right. Party people in the place to be. Welcome back to another unboxing. I just got this in the mail, just got back from work. I am spent, I need a bath, I'm hungry, but we're just gonna go ahead and get this out of the way because this is a very huge honor for me. I don't know exactly when, but a few months ago, I made a video for this company, Ocean to Orbit. They sent me a review model of their watch, the LHOTSE, which is a sports watch that kind of has a Aquaterra Oyster Perpetual type of homage vibe, very classic looking watch. Did a review of that watch, sent the watch back, and then a few weeks ago, David and Sid, who run the company, they messaged me on IG saying that they want to send me a watch to say thank you for putting together a review for their maiden voyage watch that they just released this year. I was super duper stoked, super thankful. I mean, my channel is like small potatoes, and I don't really get a lot of opportunities like this, so every time that it does happen, I am just so thankful that I get the chance to get gifted things like this, and I just wanted to show them some love. So I want to do the unboxing together. Since I already reviewed this watch, I'm probably not going to review it again, but just wanted to show you guys what a production model LHOTSE looks like when you unbox it, because the one I had, the one I reviewed was a pre-production model. There you go, I think that's it. Oh, there it is. Okay. Boom. Woo! Oh, they included a strap. Yo. Oh, I'm so stoked. Okay, so the model that I requested was their limited edition model. They did a collab with, I think it's Watch Enthusiasts Melbourne. I'll have to put it up on the screen if I'm wrong, but the watch comes nicely packaged in a very secure box. Put this off to the side. Let's see here. The sleeve to the box is there. I'm gonna pull this off a little bit. Box is very nice. The paper feels good, the edges look good, the texture on the box is nice, feels very premium. Oh, well. This box looks a little similar to the box that I got for my pre-production unit that I reviewed. There's a shelf that has all the literature, operation manual, warranty card, all fits nicely packaged inside here. Movement is a STP 1-21. It's a no date movement. 28,000 BPH, which is 4 Hertz with a 40-hour power reserve. This is all very nice. So the story behind this watch is Purnima Shrestha summited up the LHOTSE mountain, which is why this watch is called the LHOTSE. And it kind of ties in with the Rolex Explorer story of Everest. I really love the nod. I love watching badass women do badass things, which is fantastic. And the photography is amazing. Enough of this. Comes with a nice cleaning cloth, which is a very nice touch. Let's get to what has been the thing that I've been waiting for all day. Woo! Wow. This is such a great looking watch. Look at that. This is amazing. It's like a blue tuxedo dial, which I think is fantastic. Oh, so one update that I'm noticing compared to the pre-production unit is the logo on the clasp is definitely much smaller. It is engraved and printed much smaller on the clasp than the previous model, which I definitely like more. I am so excited for this. Let's take all the stickers off. The box is very nice. Has the brand name. Nice little snap at the end there. Logo on the front. Okay, so since I've already reviewed this watch, I'm very familiar. I wore this watch for a month straight when I was doing the review. I do love this dial so much. The sapphire crystal is domed and it looks amazing. The bracelet, I did love the bracelet that this watch came with because it's really thin. The links are really thin. It's a very comfortable wear and the taper is nice. So it kind of melts away a little bit while you're wearing it, even on the bracelet. And then Dave and Sid included the nylon strap with this, which is going to match perfect with the dial. And I appreciate that. Thank you, Dave and Sid. Drilled lugs for easy strap swaps, which is always appreciated for sports watches. Boom. And let's get this one going. Nice. Okay, cool. Got my Suyosa on because I'm working on 2 other videos that I'm trying to get done before the end of the month. But you know, YouTube be YouTubing and work be working. Oh, this is gonna be lovely. I usually, for NATO straps, I usually cut the underside off, but I don't know if I'm gonna do it for this one yet. Haven't decided. Look at that. That looks pretty sweet. And it's like nothing that I have in my collection right now. This is very wonderful. Thing with nylon or NATO straps, if you have a small wrist, one thing that is not the greatest is all the extra slack that you get from the nylon, but let's see how it looks. Yo, that looks good. That looks good. Fantastic. It's got LHOTSE printed on the buckle, and then one of the other fasteners has Ocean to Orbit on it. The nylon quality feels fantastic, and it's such a nice addition. I am forever grateful for this. You know, it is really nice, you know, being able to have moments like this where the community gives back and people that are passionate about watches, we kind of share in this space where we can talk about things, we can, you know, promote each other's stuff, you know, and being able to use my channel as a place where I can help out my friends with their businesses, with their dreams, it makes me feel good. And then in return, you know, I get really cool additions to my collection. Personal message for Sid and David. I just want to say thank you so much for giving this watch to me and letting it be a part of my collection and a part of my story as well. Much love and many blessings to the two of you. Thank you so much. It means so much to me that, you know, I get to now say that I own one of these. A few things. I'm working on 2 videos. One is I'm doing like a gift list because the holidays are coming up, and then the second video is going to be a review on the Suyosa and the Zenshin from Citizen. I'm very excited to put that out. Just wanted to pop in real quick and give y'all an update on the latest addition to my collection. Yeah, Ocean to Orbit LHOTSE, limited edition, WEM model. I believe that it's Wrist Enthusiast Melbourne. If you want to learn more about this watch, you can watch the old review that I put up on this watch. I'll link it somewhere. But just wanted to check in. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the channel. It'll help me. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace.